So hi guys, andito tayo sa Canyon Cove Hotel and Spa. So after 3 hours of meeting, from Parañaque to Nasugbu, Batangas using expressway, we arrived already here in Canyon Cove. So from Parañaque to Calax, Calax to Tagaytay Road, Santa Rosa, then Tagaytay, Batangas, Nasugbu, Batangas. And now we already arrived in Canyon Cove after 3 hours. So guys, let's go.